Where this camera show? Camera walk. Got in your phone, you know. This will be another unboxing. Hello. Camera walk cold. Don't be zooming on my face too. Shh. Okay. Am I supposed to snap it and send to mommy? I beg. Oh, come. Where's the scissors? Where you have lost my scissors, Uncle?
It's with you, don't stay.
Ah! Before my space finish, so I gonna break my foot. Ah, baby girl.
It's your.
See the way it looks like. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. I think my camera will focus on this thing. Ah. How will I open this thing?
We both style. No, remove this banner here.
Okay, then you can open. It can't be this paper. Okay, it's receipt. Oh, where did they buy it? Oh, at one place I didn't know before my. Ah! I've opened it. Okay.
Yeah, 74k.
Okay, see card.
Stella 74k.
Another paper with something in it. I don't care. Look at my phone. Look at my phone. I'm really crying. Oh gosh, before this one battery finish. No, okay, let's just sit like this first. Let me know open it. Look at the way it looks so pretty. It says that the fingerprint sensor is here. I think this button. Don't put it in my camera, Jerry. This button here. It was not at the back. I see another thing. Okay. This is a cord. This is the earpiece, and this is the charger. Oh, the charger is big. It's the biggest shit I've ever had. And this is the SIM something pin, like what you used to put your SIM in it. Oh, gosh, I'm so excited.
For camera.
Let me throw this shit away. So what I saw is the cords, the earpiece, the charger, and this thing. I don't know what this thing is.
So,
don't tell me. I now ask you. Let's see what's inside this one. It's like this one is screen guide. It's not screen guide. Stop. Too much paper. How much did this say?
74.
74,000. But I was seeing online that it was 49,500. Oh gosh.
Open it for go. Oh, fancy.
Am I not opening this fancy?
Open it as if you just like the phone.
Like, I don't know how. I'm on your phone. Oh, the guys. This still looks fresh. Fresh. I don't know where any earring when I'm making this video.
On.
Oh gosh, for camera. For camera. I want to know which. Well, I don't have an iPhone to compare with, but whatever. I'm going to on it now. She's even becoming too much, self. Oh gosh, she's taking too much too. Oh, my body is shaking me. You know how I wish this color is like red or black.
Blue is okay.
I want red, my favorite color, or maybe pink. But they don't have pink, and I was searching online. Sure. Wow, these Samsung people are really generous. They even put charger and earpiece. Oh, baby girl.
Yeah, that new smell fresh.
See, it took over the whole screen, the whole freaking screen. Oh, but it's like I use your phone now. Few more. Oh, wow, this shit is cute. It's freaking cute. Okay, I want dog. I like dog.
You need to download them.
Well, you grow, you learn, you upgrade. Or what?